Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Look, we have a package in, and I have to tell you, whenever I get a package, it feels like Christmas. Ah, even though I know what's in the package, I'm always excited. So, we just got this, so we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is going to be some new fabrics, as well as some items for a few of our customers. So you get to join me in this unboxing. I love opening up packages. I don't know why, but ever since I was a boy, I enjoy opening up a package. And so what exactly do we have in here? We have one finished suit for our client. We will not say their name, but we have one finished suit, and we will take that out the package. This is his wedding suit, so that's why I will not say his name, just in case him or one of the family members are watching or see this, don't want to reveal what is his. We have a base fitting for our dear client Ebony Felton. She'll be coming in and be doing her base fitting, and we'll be locking down her sizes for her upcoming wedding. What else? We have another base fitting for Mr. William Brown, and this right here is going to be a jacket base fitting only. So Mr. Brown is getting a jacket only. We also have another base fitting for Mr. C. Sprayberry. This is the perfect time while I'm doing this unboxing. If you know you have some special events coming up for this upcoming fall or autumn winter season, you want to make sure that number one, make sure you like this unboxing, but make sure you also take the time and schedule an appointment on our website. We have some new fabrics that have come in, and we have new fabrics that's consistently coming in for the fall winter. We have some custom shirts for a dear friend of ours, Mr. Edmonds. He's been a long-time customer of ours. We did something a little different with his shirts this time, and I'm excited to see how they come out, how he enjoys them. And we also have some shirts for some of our other clients, and I will not reveal their names because they have not seen them yet. A couple of more shirts. Mr. Edmonds actually went ahead and ordered some shirts for the fall winter season. He's a good client of ours. He actually takes and places his orders twice a year for the fall and also for the spring summer. And of course, we have some new fabric books. I have not reviewed any of these books as of yet. So obviously they just came in. I was made aware of it that we'll be receiving them. Have some beautiful, nice feeling pieces that we're gonna go through and see exactly what we have. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is actually a good color. If you're trying to figure out, okay, fall season's coming up, what should I be adding to my wardrobe? I'm actually really recommending some different things, some earth tone colors. And actually, I'm recommending a lot of trousers and sport coats for this upcoming fall season. I'm recommending trousers and sport coats and corduroy. Corduroy is going to be something that we will be talking about. So make sure that if you have not done so, that you schedule an appointment with us. I will be taking and making some phone calls to some of our current clients and some clients that we have not spoken with in a while, just to try to go ahead and get you in the books. We have a collection of stripes. This is what we used to call banker stripes back in the day. So the first collection was going to be our solids, and so this is going to be a collection of stripes. And of course, we have some fun patterns in here, some fun little stripe patterns in here as well. What else do we have? Ooh. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Take a look at those check patterns. These are going to be really fun. I love a good plaid. Whether now, a lot of guys, so traditionally speaking, your basic, when it comes down to it, your solids are going to be your basic foundation for suits. And so traditionally for a man, we did a lot of darker tones, and then for ladies, you have a lot of your brighter tones. However, you know, don't allow those things to keep you from adding a little color in your wardrobe. If you feel like you can pull off a yellow or a mustard or a mauve, by all means do it. A mauve looks really, really good on a man. If you're looking for something to add into your workday regimen, these are some really nice, fun pieces. But traditionally speaking, most suits were always a solid color. And if it was not a solid color, then it was a stripe. And so that's where kind of like the idea, your chalk stripe, your banker stripes, your pin stripes. So that would be the next movement. And so as we saw last year, stripes began to come back, and they are a really good add-on. Now, from the solids and the stripes, you would then have your plaids. But your plaids were reserved for sport coats. Because they were a little busier, you would not necessarily see a lot of guys wearing a complete suit out of a check pattern. And so that is actually something relatively new. Now, me personally, what I like to do is I enjoy wearing patterned slacks. So if you're like, hey, you know what, I like pattern, but I don't think that I'm the type of person that can pull it off, I think that patterned slacks are really smart. I would actually wear something like this, especially nowadays where guys feel like they don't need to get dressed up. A nice check pattern, a nice pattern slack is really, really nice with a solid jacket, or even a nice corduroy jacket or camel hair jacket. It would be really, really nice, especially for this upcoming fall season. Allow for your slacks to do all the talking. So that's just something to consider. What else do we have in here? This box probably tips over. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that smart looking? That is gorgeous. Look at that. These are some really, really nice patterns here. Yeah, you have to make sure you schedule you an appointment. I have to take and sit down and get a good look at these fabrics and study these fabrics so I can be ready when you come in. But these are, I mean, that was a good hit. As soon as I opened up the book, I like that. That was really nice. I like that a lot. Oh, I like this one as well. Honestly, I would do this first piece as a jacket. Actually, I would do it as a whole suit. I would do this as a whole suit. There's some really nice patterns in here. I have to take a get with my Detroit brothers. They know how to dress. They know how to put these patterns together. Sometimes us guys in the Northeast, we won't put too many pieces together. We're afraid of those things. But these are, look at that. That is sharp looking. Look, I don't know what tone is coming off in the camera, but that is a brown check pattern. This is really, really nice. I love it as a suit or a pair of slacks. I like that. That's a great check pattern. I would do either or. Really, really nice. So these are really clean. Let me see what else we have. Okay. I'm hoping this is going to be some type of, there we go, corduroy. I told you earlier, I'm looking to do corduroys. This is going to be nice. Look, now, I see what they did. So they mixed the corduroy up with the formal collection. So for guys that want a little more blingy, want something a little bit more exciting, oh wow. Check those patterns out. Really fun. So if you got a holiday party to go to, you have a fundraiser to go to, you need a waistcoat, or you need a jacket. So waistcoat, fellas, is also known as a vest, or you just need a jacket. Look at that. These are exciting and exquisite. This is like a velvet. Velour, really, that's a velour. Fellas, ladies, These are really, really nice. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. And of course, we have some linens. We'll reserve these for later in the year, but this is our new, one of our new collections. So we've already received fabrics in from Dorme. We'll be doing a video on that. We already received books from Holland and Sherry. We'll do a video on that. But like I said, anytime I get a big package, it's always like Christmas. So I wanted to invite you to take a look.